students, it's Wendi Fraser from Canam here in Australia. I've just returned from beautiful New Zealand and I just want to make sure that you're aware of some of the great benefits of also studying in New Zealand. As a student, you have post-study work rights up to 3 years. Now, this depends on the level of course that you studied, but 3 years is a very long time to be able to get great experience in the field that you study. You can also obtain part-time work, so it's in line with Australia. You'll be able to obtain part-time work for up to 20 hours per week, which is fantastic. And one of the things that I found when I was in New Zealand is that there is a lot of part-time work for international students. So whether you study the north or the south of New Zealand, there are great universities, great polytechnics, all with courses that are in demand due to the skills shortage. So if you look at what is called the green list, these are the skills that New Zealand are looking for. And we here at Canam can point you in that right direction of what is the right institute, the right course. The scholarships that are available in New Zealand are quite amazing at the moment. So you should also do a comparison. Look at New Zealand as a study destination, beautiful country offering you up to 3 years post-study work rights. So make sure you pop in and speak to one of our Canam consultants at one of our 30 plus offices in India. Thank you and look forward to being able to assist you with relevant information so you can choose a destination that meets your needs. Have a great day. Thanks.